These efforts form part of a broader national strategy to transition agriculture from subsistence to commercially viable systems. The Musese Green Scheme has delivered remarkable results, generating 28.5 million Namibian dollars from 4,200 tons of maize, a testament to what coordinated investment and effective management can achieve. In 2024, the government invested approximately 7 million Namibian dollars into Sikondo Green Scheme for new tractors and implements, and all state-managed schemes are now operational across the country, with both winter and summer crops flourishing. We call on Musese and Sikondo to continue diversifying into other crops and vegetable production in order to grow the region's agricultural footprints further.
As Kavango West region, we are proud contributors to this national journey. Our people are hardworking. Our youth are ambitious. Our communities are determined. Kavango West region is rising. And it is rising with a purpose. Yet, as we celebrate, we must also reflect. Independence is a continuous responsibility. It demands that we confront poverty, unemployment, and inequality with the same courage that our forefathers confronted colonialism. Because the true measure of independence lies not only in political freedom, but in economic empowerment, social justice, and inclusive development.